Good evening, everyone, and I'm happy that people are joining in this particular meeting. And as it is time, so we will start our discussion. So I will just explain that this particular Data Fest event is a yearly event which we keep uh, every year on the month of April, and this time we are completing our 10 years of journey. So, as Indeed Inspiring Infotech, we are into skilling services, and we have our clients as corporate companies and even universities and colleges, and as an individual also, and a lot of skill development activities we do. So under this particular Data Fest event, we have boot camps, we have competitions, we have hackathons, and we are inviting lot of industry people who have been a part of some or the other way with us, maybe as our clients or maybe as our trainers. So we have pan India presence in multiple places, as our team of trainers is always active in multiple parts of the country, multiple states in India. And we also have another company which is Prishal Technology Private Limited. So under that also we have a good client pool, and we will be having people from the bunch of companies which we have as our associates, and it will be really a good experience. So now let me come back to our website, and here you can see this particular banner. If you click on this particular banner, you will come to the page which is there for the data fest. And on this particular page you can have a look at what kind of events are going to be there. So there will be a chatbot boot camp. Those who are interested in learning, we have two boot camps we have organized. So boot camps are basically, they will be going for 3 days or 4 days. Every day we will invest around 2 hours online digitally, and you can get access through the website portal itself. So here you can see this portal option is there. So for everything, whatever sessions or boot camps or workshops, whatever is going on, you can just log in, and you can connect live, and you can basically be able to discuss. So I was telling you about the boot camp. So we have chatbot boot camp, and another boot camp we have is web development boot camp. So those who are interested into AI, ML, so you can basically get into this particular chatbot boot camp. It is conversational AI based boot camp where you'll be able to learn from the very basics, that how a chatbot can be developed, how a rule-based chatbot can be developed, and then going through the NLP concepts, then how conversational AI LLMs work and implementation of that. A couple of piece of codes we will share with you also, and certain things we will ask you, basically do a research and come up with some new things. So that's one. Second is about web development. So our team will be taking you through the Django framework and the whole technology stack, starting from the UI UX journey to developing the backends, working with the databases, and how the deployment will actually take place. So it will be from very scratch, that how you can start. So we will have some 20 to 30-minute session of introducing those who are very new. Even they can basically be there. So this is having a requisite sessions will be there. So which will be on. So we have taken one extra day for it. So which will be on HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So those who are very new, maybe coming in the first year of your degree college or something. So even you can start from very scratch. Okay, and then we will tell you the architecture, like how application architectures are planned, how the requirements are to be taken, how requirements are to be mapped, that how the development will take place, how the UI UX journey is first planned. So step by step, the whole SDLC, software development lifecycle, will be covered in this particular boot camp. Now then we have quiz competitions. So we will reveal. So you all must have seen KBC kind of thing. Okay, so this is generic. This is generic means, yes, we are in the living in the era of technology. So a lot of technology will be there, that's for sure. But it won't be like only IT people should attend. It won't be like only mechanical mechanical people should attend, or it wouldn't be like only MBA management people should attend. So it will be more of a generic with some specific domain specific questions, so anyone can take participation into this particular quiz competition. And soon, like if you will remain connected with us, you will get more ideas about it, because we have started to release some more details through our Instagram. And also we are keep on updating things under the event section. So under this, we are keep on updating whatever is upcoming. We are keep on updating those things over here. So if you will remain connected through Instagram and through the website, you will keep on getting more updates about it. Then we have two more competition. One is Ideathon and one is Hackathon. So those who have done some implementation and they have some prototypes ready, so I would recommend you can go for hackathons. We will be releasing the problem statements from our side, and you can check out the problem statements wherever you are fitting into, your idea is fitting into, your implementations are fitting into. You can take and you can choose that particular section in that particular hackathon. And if you are yet just in the idea level, like if you just are having ideas, you have not entered into the implementation, then go for Ideathon. So we have kept it in both ways, that if you just having some good idea. Now, here also I'll tell you, like if you are from tech background, maybe from IT, computer, mechanical, AIDS, electric, ENTC, or civil, whatever background you have, you can come up with your idea of your own domain. But it's not just limited to the engineering. It is also, we'll be having people from management also, so they'll be having their own ideas. So we'll be having different categories, and those categories would basically come up. We'll be picking up people from specific categories. So even those details you will be getting up soon. Here, basically, if you are coming up with some idea, then what is the idea, what is the innovation that we will be looking into, and how it is going to benefit the society or your target audience, like who are you targeting at, who your idea is going to use. Very similar way, hackathon, who is your target audience, like who's the customer base, or who that particular application, that particular idea is going to be used for. So that is another important thing we'll be looking for. We'll also be looking for the feasibility, like implementation feasibility. We'll be looking for can it become scalable. So I'm giving you some ideas and hints beforehand, so that when you are participating, you may get these kind of questions. It won't be just like implementation. So implementation, idea, implementation, innovation, these are one part. But at the same time, feasibility, implementation feasibility, then how basically it can be viable, how it can what are the different stakeholders who will be a part of your project or your idea. So all these things will be there, and you will get these guidance in the upcoming interactions also. So today is the first interaction. We will continue to interact with you so that you are guided and you can go in the guided manner. Then after these two competitions, we have some more things we will be having. So under this industry guest session, under this section, we will be having seminars, talks, panel discussions, and workshops. Okay, so that will be told to you as per the availability of different speakers who are giving us their dates and times. We'll keep on updating on our Instagram, on our website as well. We'll keep on updating that. And as you are connected, you will keep on getting the notifications through our team as well. So that section is again very important. Now, you must be having a query that do we have any registration fees or something? Yes, the registration fees is only 100 rupees. So 100 rupees is the registration fees. Now, this registration fees is for bootcamp, chatbot bootcamp, quiz competition, ideathon, hackathon, web development bootcamp. So for these events, we have a fees. For industry guest sessions, there is no fees. Like it's completely free of cost. You can just go and register for them. There's no cost involved in that. Now, what kind of benefits will you get? So I think you should wait a little more. Okay, so we will announce the kind of benefits you will get. We will surely announce them. So today is not the day for announcing the benefits. We have a couple of benefits which I think in the second interaction, because still we have started to communicate. So we want more people to join in, and probably in tomorrow's discussion, again same time we'll have one more discussion. Then we will be announcing what kind of benefits are there. We'll also be announcing and releasing that who are the speakers coming in, they are from which companies, the companies are of which domains. So all those exciting things, I think you should have a little more patience for it. Now, you must log in. So once you click on the portal part, so it comes up with a login section. So I have already logged in, so I need not to log in. So the login is very simple. Like if I go to the portal and if I just log out for some time and I try to log in again. So if you click on this particular secure your spot now, it will be asking you to log in. So here you need to put your email ID and you have to click on send OTP, and then you have to put the OTP over there. So this simple is yeah, so you have to put your OTP over there. So this is much simple. It is to basically log in into the portal. Now let me check the OTP in my on my email, and then basically I'll be able to log in. So let me quickly check my Gmail. So you can try now also. If you will just go to the portal, you even need not to register. It's like if you are a new user, then you will become like it will create an account for you. Nothing new you have to do. So the same process is there. So my OTP is 123775. I'm putting the OTP and submit. And you can see I have got logged in. So you can go to the home page, click on the data fest, and now if you click on secure your spot, you will be able to see that all of these options are enabled. Now you can click on any one of them. Like if you click on chatbot, so that chatbot page will come up, and you can basically register over here. Once you click here, you will get the scanner. You have to scan it, and here you just have to mention the transaction ID, so that the backend team can always, the accounts team and backend team can cross check on it. So as per the process, they will keep on checking on that particular part. So that you have to put, and you just need to click on register once you have put, and then you will be registered by the backend team. Admin will basically start communicating with you and will keep on discussing the further process. You will keep on receiving the WhatsApp messages after this particular process. Very similar way, if you want to go back on the event section, data fest, or you can go to home, and again you can click so whichsoever event you want to take part. Now let's say industry speaker session. As I told you, this is completely free of cost. So once you go here, and if you see it's not asking for any kind of registration amount, you can just click on registration, and you will get here applied successfully. So you have applied successfully for industry speaker sessions. As I told you, workshops, panel discussions, and a lot of things will be there. So you are successfully registered for that particular thing. And as soon as you are basically you have applied, you can go to the portal part and you can click on the live sessions. Under this, once you click on view, so you will be able to get the live video, and you can basically live sessions you can attend, workshop session, whatever is there. So the process of attending is that you just have to click on the live event, and under live events you will be able to see upcoming events, and that particular upcoming event you just have to click on view, and you will be able to see them. Okay, so these are the past events which we already had, and these are the upcoming events which we have. So this is how you have to view or watch the live events. Now once you have watched, then you may get a couple of questions. So you have to just fill in, because once you fill in the questions, then you will be eligible for the certificates. Like as soon as you fill in the questions, you will become eligible for the certification as well. For that specific, for specifically that particular event, you will get a certificate. Okay, so this is how this is the whole process is going to happen. Now, I hope what you need to do is you quickly need to go to the website, click on the data fest, and if you already have an account, log in. If you don't have an account, then also log in, because account creation process is very simple, nothing complex over there. And secure your spot now. So this is the first action you should do. Whichsoever event you are interested in, you can click on it, and this will really be an interesting thing. This I think you will get in the upcoming sections of these discussions before the pre-event talks, which we are basically having. You will get more details about it. That will make it more exciting. Now, if you have any queries, like even faculties are connected, maybe a couple of students might be connected. I'm not very sure. So if you have any queries or something, you can ask. And as I said, you said that a lot of things I'm going going to reveal, or somebody from my team is going to reveal in tomorrow's session. It will be more on the industry speakers, the kind of workshops which we are having, and also the kind of give backs and prizes we are going to have, and some sponsors also we have, so some goodies we are having from sponsors as well. So all those things we'll be announcing tomorrow. Any questions or queries, I'm very much open to listen, understand, and discuss. Any specific needs if you have, like we are very open, like if you have some, if you want to, we should call somebody from let's say manufacturing domain, and they should speak about a specific thing, you can even tell us that. So we have good connects. Our team is going to hunt for that particular resource now itself, and we'll try to make it possible, maybe as a workshop, maybe as a talk, or we may invite them as a panelist. So we will try even that also. We are open. If you have anything as a requirement, you can tell that as well. Yes, so I'm open for any kind of queries or anything. If you are clear, can I get a thumbs up if you are clear with everything? Can I get okay, just a second. I think the chat part is not. Yeah, so okay, I have enabled. I'm sorry. I think you must have been trying. Okay, I got thumbs ups. Yeah, chat is also enabled. If any query is there, you can unmute or you can put in the chat as well. Anything. Yes, I'm open to listen. Okay, I'm getting thumbs up, which means that everything is clear. Okay, great, great. All right then. So this was the first discussion, as I said. I would be really happy if you get some feedback from students, management, or other faculties. Please let us know. And those who are coordinating with you from our team, please let them know. In the upcoming sessions, we will come up with all the solutions, all whatever you want. And with this particular support, we'll be really happy to celebrate this DataFest event in a very positive, in a very win-win, in a very fruitful manner. Thank you very much, everyone, for joining us in the late evening as well. Thanks for your support. Thank you, team, as well, as you made this possible to begin this interaction today. Thank you.